Real estate investment trusts. Think of a stock that owns buildings. You buy shares and they buy malls, hospitals, apartments. No tenants, no toilets, just dividends. It's real estate for people who hate fixing leaks. Used by lazy millionaires and cautious boomers. House hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one half, rent the other. Or get a roommate to pay your mortgage. It's the gateway drug to landlording. Millennials call it freedom, neighbors call it annoying. Your first taste of cash flow. Wholesaling. Find a house below market, lock it up, and sell the contract. No money, no license, just hustle. Basically legal bird dogging. You're the middleman who never actually buys anything. Fast cash but zero equity. Fix and flip. Buy ugly, make pretty, sell fast. Reality shows glamorized it. Reality also destroys wallets. Margins are tight, risks are high, timelines are lies. If the market dips mid-renovations, you're toast. But done right? 6 figures in 6 months. Buy and hold rentals. The OG move. Buy a home, rent it out, wait 30 years. You get monthly cash and long-term equity. Slow and steady wealth unless tenants flood your kitchen. Your dad probably did this in the 80s. Airbnb arbitrage. Rent the property long term, then sublease it short term. You're running a hotel without owning the building. Margins are wild, so are the guests. You'll meet more bachelorette parties than a Vegas bartender. Landlords hate it, profits love it. Mobile home parks. You don't own the home, just the dirt it sits on. Tenants own the trailers. You just charge rent for the ground. Low maintenance, high cash flow. It's like Monopoly, but for people who don't want to fix roofs. Warren Buffett is in on it. That should tell you enough. Storage units. Garage size gold mines. People will pay to store stuff they never use. Low maintenance, no plumbing, no emotions. If a tenant doesn't pay, you auction their stuff like reality TV. Recession proof, emotionless, and profitable. Land flipping. Buy dirt cheap, sell dirt not so cheap. No buildings, no tenants, just zoning and patience. You're betting on the future growth of a place no one's ever heard of. High risk, high reward, high tumbleweed density. BRRRRRR, no joking. BRRRR method. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Like fix and flip, but keep the house. It's house hoarding with a strategy. You recycle your money like an investor on caffeine. Works great until interest rate say no thank you. Owning a billboard. You literally rent eyeballs. Buy a roadside billboard, lease it to the advertisers. The land's cheap, the rent is monthly. You don't deal with people, just Pepsi logos. One-time build, long-term cash, but good luck finding zoning that doesn't hate fun. Tiny home villages. Minimalist meets rental yield. Stack a bunch of hipster sheds on a cheap land. Charge 1K a month for a place with no oven. Great for remote workers and people who say van life, unironically. If Instagram likes paid mortgages, you'd be rich. Buying an island. Flex level billionaire. Buy an island, build a villa, rent it out to influencers or ex-dictators. No HOA, just hurricanes. Cost millions, makes headlines, not an investment, a Bond villain origin story. Commercial office buildings. Skyscraper mode. You lease to businesses instead of families. More square footage, more money, more migraines. COVID wrecked this sector, so did Zoom. But Class A buildings in great locations still cash flow like mad. High barrier, high reward, higher blood pressure. Syndications. Too broke for apartment complex? Team up. Syndications pool money from multiple investors. You own a slice, someone else runs it. Passive income, pro-level deals, but less control. You're trusting a stranger with millions and praying they don't vanish to Bali. Triple net lease. The tenant pays rent, taxes, insurance, maintenance, everything. You collect checks and sip tea. Usually leased to gas stations, pharmacies, or dollar stores. Set it and forget it. Returns are low but stable. The closest thing to mailbox money in real estate. Buying parking lots. No buildings, no tenants, just lines on pavement. You charge for empty rectangles, zero plumbing, zero drama, just asphalt and dreams. Urban areas, gold mines. You'll never look at an empty lot the same again. Opportunity zones. The government's invest here, get tax break deal. You buy in underdeveloped areas, hold for years. In return, massive capital gains tax savings. It's like investing in the hood with a CPA on speed dial. Risky neighborhoods, juicy benefits. Owning a castle and Airbnb-ing it. This is not a joke. Europe is full of old castles people can't maintain. Buy one cheap, renovate like a madman, and list it on Airbnb. Tourists will pay thousands to sleep like royalty, but good luck with heating bills from the 1500s. This is how you're gonna lose money majestically. Building an entire subdivision. The boss move. Buy raw land, get permits, build 20 homes, sell or rent them all. You're no longer a landlord, you're a developer. You need deep pockets and deeper patience, but if it works, you don't just make money, you print it. This is how fortunes are made, or lost. Either way, your name ends up on a street sign.